Manipur is all set for the vote counting process for the 18th Lok Sabha election on June 4th, that is tomorrow. Officials designated for vote counting have undergone comprehensive training conducted by the Election Commission of India. The counting process will take place across 50 halls in 24 centers with 25 counting observers appointed by the ECI. The opening of the strong rooms will commence at 6:30 a.m. tomorrow by the respective returning officer RO or assistant returning officer ARO, and counting will commence from 8 a.m. across 50 halls in 24 counting centers spread across 11 district headquarters. To ensure security and prevent any disturbances or untoward incidents, 3 layers of security forces will be stationed at all counting centers. Till now, strict vigilance has been maintained over all strong rooms by security forces, district election officers and representatives of various political parties and candidates. The fate of 10 candidates will be determined on June 4th, the day of vote counting, which will be conducted under CCTV and videography surveillance.